Welcome back to this week's video. On this week's video, we're going to be installing or finishing off our bunk beds completely. Now that the wires are ran, we can finally cover everything up. So I got to build some sort of ladder. I got to cover the tops so that the mattress can sit on top. We'll be also cutting a hole through the wall into the garage area from inside the living area. We got our safety sandals on. Let's get to work. I'm putting Velcro here because if I have to get in here for any reason, I want it to be as simple and easy as possible. So the Velcro will be the least invasive approach, so can't damage much. You don't need to rip out no nails, you don't need to rip out no staples. You just undo the Velcro. So that's a complete bunk. Just have to use we bought some epoxy because cedar is really soft. So we bought epoxy to coat all this. So we got this cedar 2x4. It looks a little rough, but we're gonna make it look like a piece of furniture. And this is gonna be our ladder. We're gonna cut it in half and then make it into the ladder. So it looks quite nice. Looks like I bought this somewhere, so that's always nice. Fairly strong. We bolted it down with, once again, structural screws. So this isn't ever going to break off. Plus, we use PL, and these pieces are PL'd, so there's a lot of rigidity here. We'll try it out later on once everything is set here. If I can climb up it, I mean, most people are going to be able to sleep up there. So let's do the railing now. We just have one this way, and then we'll be on to the next task. No fat guys. putting in a pass-through from here into the garage area. It's quite big. I can get through it. Kind of scary to cut this because everything is PL'd, so if I mess up, you can't just replace this board. You destroyed it, and now, I don't know. So hopefully I don't mess up. So we got all these bunks pretty much all wrapped up, just some trimming left. They turned out really good, and we also need to stain, well, it would be more like coat the bunks, the cedar, all with epoxy. That way it can't get dented or anything like that, because cedar is really soft, and it'll, just a matter of time, will look bad if you don't coat it. Also, this was a pretty scary thing, because if you make a mistake, you can't replace this piece. You can't even get it in here. So we got all that done on this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. That'll help our channel grow, and we'll see you next week.